You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. How to pronounce in English. If you want to learn more medical terms, by the way, names from science and biology, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. English pronunciation. Volvulus. Let's break it down. British and American English pronunciations are similar, except that the Americans would say volvulus, a bit more open R sound, while the British pronunciation is as volvulus or volvulus. So UK volvulus, volvulus in the US. Volvulus. Stress on the first syllable. English pronunciation volvulus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.